lovely weather we're having. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, January 17th. It is my first full week of my spring semester, and we're getting hit with a giant snowstorm. Clarkson really does not cancel classes because of weather, but my first two classes got moved online today. We'll see if my afternoon class also gets moved online. But I have environmental economics and energy policy this morning, and then risk analysis this afternoon. I have these two classes, and then it is Martin Luther King Day, so I'm going also to a Zoom event about diversity and inclusion that I'm really excited to listen to. And then I'll probably work out, eat lunch, and then get ready for my last class. But I still have 50 minutes until my first class starts, so I'm just going to review some of my notes from my classes from last week just to refresh my memory, get back into the swing of things. Had a nice weekend just kind of hanging out. I did a lot of homework, and then I watched a lot of Once Upon a Time, so that is where I'm at. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week as you're watching this. And there's toilet flushing, so that's a great background sound effect. Alright, so after I worked out, I took a shower and then did some more homework until my class. It was on Zoom at 4 o'clock, and then I just ate some leftovers for dinner, and now I'm just going to do some more work until Jeopardy time at 7. And I'll probably do more work after Jeopardy and then go to bed. So that was my Monday, and I will see you tomorrow for Tuesday. I'm going to go to Walmart, shovel out my car, exciting stuff. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. So it is 7:20 right now. I am doing laundry, eating breakfast, and yeah, I'm just getting ready for the day. I don't have class until 11, so after I finish all my laundry and stuff, I'm just going to be doing homework until then. So